Hi grade 3, welcome back. Today, my name is Teacher Nico and today we're going to be doing Unit 5, Lesson 2. So as usual, we're going to look in our books and we're going to turn to page 46 and 47. So on page 46, we have Unit 5, Lesson 2, Adjectives. Unit 5, Lesson 2, Adjectives. So now we're going to look at our vocabulary. So right on top of page 46, we see there, and we have our pictures with our numbers and our vocabulary, the words that we are going to be using in this lesson. Let's look at number 1. Number 1 is thick. Thick. Very thick jacket. Thick yellow jacket. Thick. Thick, not thin, thick. Number 2 is thin. Thin. So we have a thin green jacket. Thin. Number 1 was thick. Number 2 is thin. Number 3, clean. Clean. It's a clean shirt. There's no dirt on it. It's clean. Number 4, dirty. Dirty. The shirt is dirty, so it's got like brown marks on it. It's very dirty. Number 5, pretty. Pretty. That means beautiful. It's pretty. It's very pretty. Number 6, ugly. So not pretty. Ugly. Ugly. So there we have our 6 vocabulary words that we're going to be using in this lesson in the sentences and questions. Number 1, thick. Number 2, thin. Number 3, clean. Number 4, dirty. Number 5, pretty. And number 6, ugly. Now we're going to move on to section B. Section B. There we have a sentence. Let's look what our sentence is. The red socks are thicker than the blue socks. So now we're going to use the words from A, our vocabulary, like thick, and we're going to add an ER. We're going to make it, it's thicker. We're going to compare it, the comparisons. It's thick, thicker, thin, thinner. So if you look at this little blue boxes down there, there's 3 blue boxes. Now let's see what's in there. 1, thick becomes thicker. We add an ER. Bottom of that, thin becomes thinner. We add an NER. Then we have clean becomes cleaner. We add an ER. We have dirty. So it ends with a Y, so dirty becomes dirtier. IER. We have pretty. Also ends with a Y, so then we're going to add IER. Pretty, prettier. Ugly ends with a Y, so we're going to add IER. Uglier. So those are the words we're going to be using in these sentences, and we're going to be looking at the pictures. Let's look at the first picture. Number 1. You see a boy and he's got red socks and they're thick. And there's a boy with blue socks and they're thin. So our sentence is going to be, our number 1 sentence is going to be, the red socks are thicker than the blue socks. And we use are, not is, because there's 2. It's a pair of socks, not 1 sock. 2 socks, it's a pair. They always come in a pair, so we use are. So what's sentence number 2 going to be? If the red socks are thicker than the blue socks, then sentence number 2 is going to be, the blue socks are thinner than the red socks. So we are comparing the blue and red socks to each other. Let's look at picture number 3. Picture number 3 and 4. Ooh, what do we have here? We have a clean white shirt and we have a dirty pink shirt. So let's look at sentence number 3. Picture number 3 is a clean white shirt. So the sentence will be, the white shirt is one shirt. So we use is. The white shirt is cleaner than the pink shirt. Now we look at picture number 4. It's dirtier. So our sentence is going to be, the pink shirt is dirtier than the white shirt. Okay, let's look at picture number 5 and picture number 6. Here we have a big purple pretty hat, and we have a brown ugly hat. Now we are going to compare the two. If we look at number 5, our sentence will be, the purple hat is prettier than the brown hat. If we look at picture number 6, we will say, the brown hat is uglier than the purple hat. Now we're going to be moving on to page 47. On page 47 on top, see, we have a question. We have a question and an answer, and we have pictures. Let's look at number 1. We have a thick red jersey or sweater, and we have a thin blue sweater. Now we're gonna ask the question, is the red sweater thicker than the blue sweater? And it is. It's thicker. So our answer is gonna be yes, it is. Picture number 2. Ooh, we have got 2 dresses. One is ugly and one is pretty. So our question is going to be, is the orange dress uglier than the green dress? And our answer is, yes, it is. Picture number 3. We have 2 pairs of pants. One dirty and one clean. So let's ask the question, is the gray pants cleaner than the blue pants? And if we look, we see the gray pants are dirty, so it's not cleaner. So our answer is going to be, no, it isn't. Now let's look at picture number 4. We have 2 shirts again. One is thick and one is thin. Gray one is thick and the yellow one is thin. So let's ask the question, is the gray shirt thicker than the yellow shirt? And we look at it and we say, yes, it is. Now let's look at picture number 5. We have 2 hats, an ugly brown hat and a pretty green hat. So let's ask the question, is the brown hat prettier than the green hat? No, it isn't. Picture number 6, we have a clean gray skirt and we have a dirty white skirt. So let's ask a question. Is the gray skirt cleaner than the white skirt? And if we look at the picture, we see it is. So the answer is yes, it is. We can also ask, is the gray skirt dirtier than the white skirt? And if we look, we say, no, it isn't. It's cleaner, not dirtier. Okay, now we're gonna move on to section D. So on page 47 on the bottom, section D. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pictures there. Ooh. But we're gonna do them together, like A and A, B and B. Okay, so 1 is A and B, 2 is A and B, 3 is A and B, and 4 is A and B. So we're gonna ask 2 questions for 1, 2 questions for 2, 2 questions for 3, and 2 questions for 4. So listen. Now you must circle. So in A or B, so just listen to what I'm saying and then you choose one to circle. I'm gonna say a sentence. The green skirt is uglier than the pink skirt. So let's look at number 1, A and B. 1A, there's green and pink. There's also pink and green. But we asked, is the green skirt uglier than the pink skirt? So the answer is yes, it is. So we're going to circle A. Now we're going to move on to number 2. Picture number 2, A and B. So listen to the question that I'm asking. So we're going to see which one we're going to circle. The white cap. Oh, that's good. The brown cap is dirtier than the white cap. The brown cap is dirtier than the white cap. So let's see. There's 2 boys and 2 boys. Here's a dirty white cap. There's a very dirty brown cap. There's a dirty brown cap, but a very dirty white cap. And our question was, is the brown cap, the sentence is, the brown cap is dirtier than the white cap. So let's see, where is the brown cap dirtier? Here by A, so we circle A. Now at number 3, I'm going to say a sentence again, and you're going to look at the 2 pictures. So let's see, in A, we have blue shoes and gray shoes. And in B, we have gray shoes and blue shoes. So let's see what sentence we're gonna use. We're gonna say the gray shoes are uglier than the blue shoes. So let's look at the picture. The blue shoes are more beautiful than the gray shoes. Yeah. The gray shoes are uglier than the blue shoes. So we're going to circle B. Now let's look at number 4. We have 2 boys there and 2 boys there. Here they have 2 clean shirts and there they have 2 dirty shirts. So our sentence is, the yellow shirt is cleaner than the purple shirt. So let's see. We use the word clean, cleaner. So let's see, here they clean, there they dirty. And the yellow shirt is cleaner than the purple shirt. So we're going to circle A. Okay. So watch the video, practice this vocabulary and the sentences and the questions and even the comparison words. Thick, thicker. Thin, thinner. Clean, cleaner. Dirty, dirtier. Pretty, prettier. Ugly, uglier. So practice those, and then you can watch the video again. And when we have the live lesson on the Wednesday, I'm going to make a PowerPoint of this, which we're going to do together in the class, so to help you and help you understand. And then after the lesson, I will make a PDF of, I will copy that PowerPoint and I will put it on the lesson plan so you can download it. Okay, so until I see you for lesson 3 and 4, which we are going to do together, I hope you are safe and healthy, not too naughty, and you are happy at home. So until I see you till next time, thank you and goodbye.